guys, this is second part of crochet slippers tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make straps of slippers, and you can make them with the same size of yarn or thinner yarn. I'm using size 3 to 5 millimeters, and you have to use 5 millimeters crochet hook for both of them. Start with a slip knot and then chain 21 plus extra 1. And if you will use the same size of yarn as for the soles, you should make 17 plus extra 1. Okay, I have 22 chains in total, and now we are going to make single crochets into the third loop. It's this loop. It's the loop behind the chain. I can call it as a back loop, and start in the second back loop and make first single crochet. Then you have to make one single crochet in each back loop across. Okay, I'm at the end of the row, of the first row, and there is last back loop left, so I have to make last single crochet. So this is 21st single crochet in this row. At the end of each row you have to make chain 1 and turn. Now we are going to use stitches, so start in the first stitch and make single crochet. In this second row, we have to increase. So increase the first stitch, make one more single crochet in the same stitch. So now I have 2 single crochets in the first stitch. Okay, then make 1 single crochet in the next 18 stitches. We need to get the right shape of straps, so we will increase and we will decrease. So continue working 1 single crochet in next 18 stitches, and then meet me back again at the end of this row. At the end of the second row, we have to decrease. So decrease, and we are at the end of the second row. Chain 1 and turn. In the next row, we are going to make just 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And you will repeat the first row and the second row again. So then you will make the row with increase in the first stitch and decrease at the end of the row, then row without increase and decrease. And if you are using the same size of yarn, you will make 1 more row. Okay, this is how it looks like, and how I said, if you are using this size 3 to 5 millimeters, chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to make 1 more row of single crochets without decrease, without increase. So make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And I forgot to mention that it is better to keep the starting tail longer, because we will need the starting tail for sewing. Keep this tail longer as well, and you have to make 1 more strap with this way and 2 more straps with opposite way. So when you will increase at the end, and at the beginning you will decrease. Okay, if it's not enough understandable for you, you can leave the comment below the video and I will help you. Okay, put the straps on the sole and starting tails point outward and they are in front part of the sole. And count 12 stitches in front part of the sole and 22 stitches in the back part of the sole. And these stitches we will not use. You can use stitch markers, but I will just use all tails to hold the straps to the sole. And if you are making bigger or smaller size of slippers, you need to count and try. For each strap, we will need 6 stitches. So these 6 stitches we will use for sewing. And in the front part of slipper, you should have 12 stitches left. And in the back part of the slipper, you should have 22 stitches left. Okay, you can use stitch markers if you want, or you can use crochet hook as me if you want. Now I'm going to count 6 stitches. So this is the first stitch where I will start to sew. So if you want, you can use crochet hook or yarn needle. It depends up to you. I'm going to use crochet hook. So I have to pull the tail through the first stitch through both layers of sole. Okay, now I'm going to pull the tail through the following stitch. So I have to insert my hook from above and pull it through. Okay, now make a stitch in the strap in the second row. So find the best loop and pull the yarn through the stitch in the second row of your strap. And go back into the same stitch of the sole. So here, in this stitch, pull the yarn through. So with this way you will sew each strap. If you have better way how to sew the strap to the sole, you can use it, you can do it, it's up to you. This is way how I do it. Okay, and then you have to sew and hide all tails inside the sole. And that's all. If you will have any questions, write me here below the video. Okay, and we are at the end of the tutorial. I hope you like my slippers. If you do, put the thumb up. If you will have any question, write me here below the video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.